Hey everybody, it's Keith Perkins with Motor Age, and today's video is sponsored by Autel. Today we're actually going to be going over our pre-scan, post-scan, documentation, and ingress process that we use here at L1. Now we find that this process is a little bit different at our shop compared to most others, but I think you're going to like some of the functions and features that the Autel MaxiSys line of tools, along with the Autel Cloud, will allow you to do that a lot of other tools cannot. So behind me, I have a 2022 Mazda CX-30. Now we've already identified the vehicle in the tool, so let's take a look over on the Ultra and see what we're working with. So as you can see, we've got the entire topology map, and we've kind of covered that in some previous videos before. So let's go ahead and start our fault scan. Now, while this is going, and as you can see it's going pretty quickly, I want to show you some of the things that show up in our report that may be different than how your Autel is set up, and I can show you how you can change the settings on yours so you get a similar report. So if we select a report option, we can see our typical diagnostic report, which in this instance is a pretty clean vehicle. Now you notice down here at the bottom we have our monitor status. This is all of our emissions and set monitors. You can see that misfire monitor, fuel system monitor, the comprehensive component monitor, and some of the others are check marked green as they're completed. You can also see the evaporative system monitoring as well as the oxygen sensor monitoring are red X's, which means the monitor has not completed yet. Now, you may notice in your tool, it doesn't show this. Additionally, if we select Report to Cloud, we'll go ahead and just save that. It'll create a PDF. If we look into this report, we have another setting turned on that may not be turned on by default in your tool. So ours automatically shows the topology at the top, so it's got a great screenshot of that, showing our network topology legend as well as the module legend at the top there. We can see the set of systems that have been scanned, that all of them currently have no DTCs. We also get to see which set of modules house some kind of advanced driver's assistance system functionality. We can see the check engine light is off, no DTCs, and the monitor status is as shown before. And then of course a spot that if we printed it, we could put the customer's name, technician's name, date, all that stuff. At the very top, I want to point out you can actually put your information in as well. Okay, let's take a look. Now I want to keep in mind that that isn't exclusive to just the Ultra or the Ultra S2. Actually, the entire MaxiSys line has the capability of making a report that looks very similar to this, depending upon if it has topology or not. So, if we're back on the tool here, if we go to our home screen, we go to our settings tab, we go to our report settings, we can turn on our pre and post test, we can set it to upload to the cloud automatically, which is how we do it, as well as, since this is an advanced driver's assistance Ultra tablet, this is the one that came with IA900, we have it set to show almost everything. There's one setting we have turned off, report only display ADAS calibration successful results, which means even if the calibration was failed, we still want that result to show up on our report. You look at the rest of the settings we have available. So topology and standalone diagnostic report needs to be turned on, as well as in pre and post scan. Additionally, the OBD ready status needs to be turned on as well. That's why our report may look a little bit different than yours. An additional function on top of that, because at the top here we have report upload to cloud turned on and we created an Autel Cloud account, we can actually review this documentation as well as the documentation from any of our tools anywhere. Now, if this is the first time you've used the cloud, you'll need to create an account yourself. And as long as your tool has an active subscription, you'll have access to that Autel Cloud for free with a certain amount of storage. You can additionally upgrade the storage to even more if you fill it up. Now, the free level is 5 gigabytes of data, which is a lot when it comes to storing just pictures and PDF reports. Now, because it's a cloud-based service, Autel Cloud, it's in the name, we can see that anywhere we can get access to the internet, we can access this cloud. So if it's more convenient for a technician to scan the car, do the work they need to do while initially inspecting the vehicle and pre-scanning, and then coming back to a desktop to move the PDF from the cloud directly onto your shop management system, you can do that. But there's an infinite number of ways we can use that. So let's jump back on the tablet and navigate through the cloud a little more and see what it has to offer. Let's head on over to the Autel Cloud and take a look. All right, we're logged into the exact same cloud we were on the desktop, and you can see all of our tools are active on this account. If we select over here to the file management and go to report management, these are all of the scans we did. Now, some of them are done on different tools, as you can see on the device model side. But the Mazda CX-30 that we just did is right here. So if I select the little information icon next to it, it'll open up the actual report directly on the cloud. From here, I can download this onto any device that I'm on. I can move it over to my shop management system, just like we said, and I can access it along with anything else directly there. Now, if I'm back there at the cloud and I go back to the file management, I can also go to live data management. If I've taken any screen captures of actual live data, same thing. We can click to see it and view a screenshot of the live data that we took earlier in any tool. If we go to the Maxi Scope, we can see all of the scope files that we've uploaded to the cloud. Simply select on one and we have it right here, even if we didn't take this capture on this tool. Then if we navigate to images, any pictures we've taken on the tool or screenshots, we can open those up and see them right here on the tool. So we can have access to information from any one of our cloud-based tools directly into any location through any portal. As you can see, with the multitude of Autel tools we have, all of the reports can be ingressed directly into the cloud and we can access them anywhere. If you've ever been like me and you've got done doing a pre-scan or a post-scan or grabbed any kind of data or screenshot and you've turned your tool off, put it back in the toolbox only 20 minutes later to remember, oh man, I've got to get that data off the tool and put it into my shop management system, that's a problem from the past. Now with the Autel Cloud, we're capable of having all of that data ingressed directly where we can get access to it anywhere. Not only have we streamlined efficiency for the technician to get the data in the shop management system, maybe it's not your technician's typical job. Maybe you have an advisor or a service writer or someone else that grabs that data. That's available for anyone to see at any point in time, since it's backed up by tool, serial number, year, make, model of the car, and even the date it was done. We could search by that in the cloud anytime we want. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Keith with Motor Rage, and thanks to Autel for sponsoring this video. We'll see you guys next time.